Thank you so much for being here. Share with us your name and where you're from and what brought you to Beyond.
Hello, my name is Munir Jabran. I'm from Morocco. I lived in Belgium and it's been 20 years now. I live in New York.
Please explain what brought you here and how your experience has been.
What brought me here? I think it's destiny that brought me here, and my wife had to do a little bit with it. The experience that I had, I can't describe it because it's so big, it's so huge, but I'm going to do my best. Um, I'm not gonna go over the details, but once they put the things on your eyes in the music, you go into a whole different universe. I know now there's not only one universe, there is trillions of universe filled with love, compassion, and love that I can't even uh, start to understand, not to understand, but try to describe it to you. It's all I can tell you. It's a magnificent journey. It has its ups and it has its down. The medicine really show you what you need to see. So the staff is really amazing because they really explain to you everything from the moment you come here till the end. And one thing that is important is to not have any expectation. Just go with what you have, set your intention before you go into the magnificent journey. It's a journey, it's a travel, it's inner experience, it's meditation in a way that you can even imagine. I feel very grateful. I feel very special that I was able to even know that something like that existed, but beyond that, to be able to experience it. It's something that made me stronger. Um, but what's really important is to not have expectation and try to control what you want to see and what you don't want to see. Yes, it was an amazing experience, but I've seen some things that it was really hard for me to see. It took me to places that I didn't want to see, but I came out of it very strong. I'm here with other patients and I can see that everybody react differently. I reacted directly to the medicine after my first after the 12 hours. Some people need a day, some people need 2 days, some people need 3 days, but all I can tell you, it really works. It really, really works. And it's not beyond. It's beyond, beyond, and beyond.
Can you share a little bit about the safety and the medical process?
Um, from the moment you come in, they took care of you in a way that I never experienced. Not only the people at the clinic, they explain to you everything at every detail. They're very patient. They're very smiling. Um, I never felt like they were pushing for anything. They were listening for everything I had to say, and it made everything very, very smooth.
And how will you apply the psychological insights to your day to day life?
Well, this is something that they teach you. This is something that they arm you with, and this is where the hard work comes in. This is not this is not a magical place. Even if it is, to be the magical place, you have to work at it. You really have to go to places you never been before, and you don't even know they existed, or places that you don't want to go. You got to face your fear. For me, to tell you honestly, I've been to a lot of therapists, and being here, I know what is the meaning of being a therapist. Um, like I feel like they open a lot of doors that I didn't want to see, that I didn't know existed, and they take you deep. They take you deep, and it was I'm a pretty strong person, and it was really hard for me. But what they do is they give you tools. They show you that door. They don't take you to that door. You have to do the work. But what they do, the best is they arm you with tools to be able to deal with everything you felt before. Not only they you know, in my years before, I was always trying to understand everything with logic, but it doesn't work like that. It's more than that. So what they do, they make you understand what are the triggers, how to deal with them, how you're going to deal with them in the future. So for me personally, it starts with love. It starts with being in touch with my inner child. It starts being in touch with my protector. Yes, we do have a protector. When they start talking to me about protector, it's like, what the hell are they talking about? But it made so much sense. So, to answer your question is it's a everyday job that you have to do. Every day you're getting deeper and deeper, and suddenly you know what you need to do. And it doesn't mean that when you leave here everything is wow. No, you still have to do the work, but at least I'm ready to do the work. I feel confident, I feel strong, I feel free, I feel like I can breathe. They have so many beautiful people. I really want to make this very clear. Beond is not only Ibogaine. Ibogaine is very important, but what makes this place special is every person that works here, from the kitchen staff, from the cleaning ladies, from the security, from the doctors, from the coach, from the therapist. Every person is special, and you really feel the love, and that's for me. It's even more important.
Thank you so much,
You're
Manuel.
welcome.